Quantum Series Collection by BBF. Quantum features contemporary professional styling. Its modular design and many components fit any space and work style. Quantum features our exclusive, durable Diamond Coat work surface to stand up to years of use. Diamond Coat has more than twice the scratch resistance of high-pressure laminate. It also has a very pleasingly smooth surface. Quantum is built to stringent commercial-grade quality standards. It exceeds all ANSI BIFMA quality and durability requirements. This tells you it'll stand up to years of 40-plus hour work weeks. The hutches are designed with steel frames to provide long-term rigidity and strength. Lateral files have full extension suspensions that are tested to 75,000 cycles. That equates to opening and closing the drawer nearly 30 times a day for 10 years. The pedestal drawers are tested to 50,000 cycles, and the door hinges are tested to 20,000 cycles. Additionally, Quantum features durable edge banding and thermally fused laminate construction to keep it looking good for years. Quantum is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Now with Quantum, there's very minimal assembly required. Cabinets are fully assembled out of the box. Desks assemble very quickly with pre-installed quick and easy fasteners. Quantum is available in two finishes, a dark harvest cherry and a lighter natural cherry finish called modern cherry. Both finishes use satin nickel hardware and accents. The product line includes storage hutches, a storage tower which features lockable personal storage compartments with a place to hang a coat. There's a mobile ped with cushion for impromptu conversations and collaboration. There's also a collaborative peninsula. Wire management is built into the system with pass-through grommets in the work surface and trays below to hold wires and power strips. Quantum also has an optional power and data port for access from the top of the work surface. Other accessories include paper trays, personal marker board, monitor arm, ergonomic articulating keyboard tray, a pencil and multi-purpose drawer that will hold your laptop, and of course many desk shapes and sizes, all meant to allow a truly personalized solution. This is the Quantum Series Collection by BBF.
Office in an Hour by BBF. Thanks to the ease of assembly, you can be up and running in 60 minutes or less. Durable work surfaces resist scratches and stains. Features a rich Hansen cherry finish. By ordering one SKU, you get a complete workstation with both a desk and panels. Choose a straight, L-shaped or U-shaped workstation. The add-on storage kit, also a single SKU item, helps to organize your workspace. The kit includes mobile file, storage cabinet, and a paper pencil storage. The reception gallery shelf is also available. Office in an Hour is perfect for small spaces with layouts as compact as 6 foot by 6 foot. Also configures easily into multi-unit pods. Join together as many units as you need. Complete workstations that are a great fit for an open office environment. Commercial grade quality backed by our 10-year warranty. Meets professional ANSI BIFMA standards for safety and performance. This is Office in an Hour by BBF.
The Bush Business Furniture Series C collection combines classic designs and commercial quality construction to offer a solution for every workspace. Multiple desk formats and sizes, along with coordinating storage, make it easy to choose the perfect layout for your home or professional office. The collection includes electric and mechanical height-adjustable standing desks, as well as office chairs designed for ergonomic support and comfort. Perfect for corporate offices and full-time remote workers, Series C comes in 6 traditional finishes and is backed by a 10-year warranty.